This will look cool. Okay, let's open it and let's close this one. Let's just Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's just delete the background. Firstly, let's just delete this thing, which is okay. Unlock the layer, delete it. Okay, this looks a little weird. Let's just copy this complete stuff. Control C, and over here we'll do Control V. Okay, looks legit. There is no need of this one, but looks cool. Okay, let's increase the size of this complete thing. Can't we group all of this? Nope, not this. Command V. Let's just see if we can. Okay. I think looks good. Nope. Choose one is not able to. We are not able to see that choose one thing, na. So let's just. Actually, it's a little bit inconvenient to work with this image. Let's group this. Okay. So now we have. So Command G is used for grouping, right? Okay, this is perfect position. By chance this position got set, but this is really good. काफ़ी अच्छी है. ठीक है. So इसको बंद करते हैं. Now let's just move towards our next one. So one thing is कि less you have your text, the more it is easier for you to build out this stuff, right? Okay. Step 2 is niche down what topic inside engineering. Let's see. So suppose we have chosen engineering topic, right? Multiple major markets, choose one. What was I thinking while building this content? I don't even remember that. Step 2, niche down. What topic inside engineering? What topic inside this market? This market. Or it should be choose a sub multiple majors, choose one and then choose a sub niche. Let's go with this thing only. So niche down what topic inside this market. Multiple major markets, choose one, and then it should be niche down what topic inside this market. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay. Okay. Uh, Inside something like this. So you need to catch the actual feeling of this stuff. Again, this is something like an abstract keyword, so it would be difficult to actually choose the stuff. What topic inside this market? Let's just have a question mark, a big question mark. Okay, let's just have a big question mark. On black canvas it won't be visible, so let's just not go with this thing. If it would have been a blue, then I would have selected that thing, but for this we won't be going with this one. Let's select something else. Okay, so on black this thing should be visible, but the problem is photo is in JPG format, so we don't We don't want this. We want at least EPS, or if it is Illustrator, then it's super awesome. But at least EPS file. Okay. Will our remove.bg be able to remove this one? I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's find a much safer option. Hmm. Okay, this looks cool. Nope, this is pretty bad. Hmm. What could be the... Okay, this image looks cool. Actually, I can just pour in this complete image itself. It would also give it a little bit of humor to the image, to the carousel. Okay, I just need to sign in. I've reached the daily limit, and this happens when you are working on a carousel. So just log in into your account, and that's okay. I actually keep it logged in, but for this video I forgot to do this login stuff. So let me just do that. Okay. Hmm. I think again this is a photo in JPG format, but let's just download it and see if we are able to. Okay. Nope. This is a JPG file. This one. But actually our background is black, so I think it would go with it if we just do one thing, that uh, let's just decrease the size of this thing first, and then we'll move it a little bit downwards, right? uh, I have done a mistake. The images are by default pixel perfect, so I don't need to make them. Okay, I actually got confused over here. So let's just move it. We need this step thing. Okay, yeah, looks cool. Nope. Where is our this? Okay, it's over here. Let's just move this image complete down. Not this much down, but yeah, something like this over here, and then we'll move it. Okay, okay, looks cool, looks cool. Yeah. Hmm. Pixels are not getting it's the image is not getting pixelated. That's a very good news. Sometimes, and a lot of times, it does get pixelated, and it looks very cheap when you do when you post a carousel on Instagram. So I was just checking that. Okay, step three is niche down again. What specifically inside the inside sub niche? Okay, cool. Nope. Hmm. Mm, Specifically inside this subniche. Let me just lock this image for now. Command 2 is for locking. And let's just find this keyword subniche. Okay, so no image, sorry. These are all the stock images. These are paid actually. If you are using, I think if you are using Creative Cloud, then these are not paid or something like that. But for me, these are mostly paid, so I won't go with them. What again? So let's just go for this word again. Okay. Hmm. Nope. Nope. I'm actually using a MacBook Air 16 model, 2016 model. So you can see the noise it makes while using even a simple software like Adobe Illustrator. I'm not even using Photoshop right now. It's actually very difficult to work with this kind of a setup. hmm hmm Let's take another synonym, which is reiterate or iterate. Okay, this is actually creating some abstract wallpapers. Looks cool, yeah. This is looking dope now. But we don't want to use these stuff. Let's stick to repeat itself. And in repeat, I think it was there was one thing like mm, where is it gone, man? Repeat, or was it again? It was again, I think. Oh, yeah, this is the thing. So let's just copy this and we'll put it. Okay, so it's not white, it's actually black. Won't look good on this. It won't be visible. It's not about won't look good, but it won't be visible actually. So at this point I'm really confused what to do now. Niche down again, what specifically inside Subniche. Okay, okay.